Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, think I can't stay. You got big things coming.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. You guys really seem to love this look and I kind of like understand why. You were not really asking, but more like demanding a tutorial. And I thought, you know what, let's just do a tutorial on how I did my makeup. So I hope you guys likey. First of all, I really want to thank you for all the love on my post yesterday. I didn't really expect that much love because I thought the look was okay, but apparently you seem to really like it. So I thought, you know what, you guys want to see a tutorial? And I thought, say no more, I'm going to do a tutorial. So I'm going to recreate Saturday's look. I was actually going to a wedding and I really wanted to do something glowy, you know, with a nude lip, not extremely smoky eye, but more like a half smoky eye. So the color of my dress was like olive green with a shiny touch to it. So I had this dress in my closet. This is a different one, but you know, I thought just for the tutorial, I wanted to put this on and I kind of wanted to have the same eyeshadow theme going on, but not too much because I don't like everything matchy. But anyway, I'm rambling too much again. Let's jump right in. So as you can see, I already did my brows. I've applied concealer from Too Faced Born This Way on my eyelids. So this is actually a pretty easy look. It's not going to take a lot of time. It's very easy, it's quick, but you have to use the right amount of products and the right products, obviously. So I'm going to start by using this Call Me Back color, which is a nice kind of like a burnt orange brown color, and I'm going to warm up the crease with this. By the way, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics brush in number 5. As you can see, I'm not really working precisely, and you don't have to. This is just going to be like more like a shadow, like a warm shadow, since I have a lot of space going on between my eyelids and my brows. I kind of want to create a little bit more depth. Now I'm grabbing a smaller brush. This is Taper Blending from Urban Decay, and I'm going to dip into this beautiful color, which is called Set in Stone. By the way, update on my chair. Still haven't bought a new one because, first of all, I didn't even look for a new chair because I didn't have time. I had other things to do, and every time I'm like filming, I'm like, shit, I wish I did that. Also, if you're wondering if I hate my own eye color, no. I was too lazy to go to the store and buy my own contacts with prescription. Those are just transparent. I wear every day. But yeah, that's why I'm wearing these with prescription. But also I do like them, you know. But I kind of miss my own eyes too. We're just going to deepen the crease a little bit more. Don't be afraid with this color. Just go in and then back and forth. Going back to the first brush that I've used, I'm just going to blend the edges. Once I applied that color, I think I took this previous palette from the Natural Love palette from Too Faced as well. I went in with Makeup and Chill, this color, mixed with Chocolate Martini, that color. This is from Sigma in E54. I'm going to place that color right here to darken it up. So I don't want to use black, but I do want to use a very dark brown color. I'm just pushing it until it looks darker on the outer edges. So I'm not blending anything yet. Blending the edges of this shadow as well, just to make it more smoky. There's a bug in my room. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but if you do, oh my god, it's so annoying. Going back in, I'm going to touch the black color, which is called Stiletto, and I'm going to darken it up and then blend again. So now it kind of looks half smoky. I'm going to take this fluffy flap brush. I think this is from NYX Cosmetics, but the name faded and the number as well. But anyways, flat brush will do. And let me think. I took Temptation and Oops a Daisy. So these two colors. Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to mix them and put them on my eyelids. Using a little bit of this Morphe setting spray to intensify the shine. I'm leaving this space right here blank because we're going in with another color later on. Going back in with the Love palette, I'm going to use this shade, which is called Hot and Bothered. Still using the same brush, and I'm going to place this next to this shadow right here. Just a touch. Just a touch, not too much. I'm also going to use this Love Spark color right here. You don't really have to do all these steps, but I was just playing around with all these colors. I'm going to tightline my eyes. I'm grabbing my Bad Girl Bang, I wanted to say mascara, eye pencil in black, but you can use any black eye pencil you want, but this is a really nice one. I really don't like to do this, but I do like how it looks. Before I'm going to do anything else with the eyes, I'm going to do my base. And I'm not going to do my base, but I have a lot of fake tan fail going on, okay? Just ignore my wrists. I really do love that fake tan product, but for some reason when I wash my hands, this always happens. So if you have any tips or tricks, let me know. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Primer. What's new? This is in shade número 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. I don't know. Watching Casa de Papel again, so I'm really into, you know, the Spanish mood, like tranquilo. Using this BH Cosmetics brush, which I really, really love in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. This is in shade oh no, what am I doing? Wanted to use my corrector first. I always forget it. From Armani in number 2. So let's just mix it a little bit with this concealer. And I'm just going to blend it. This is my 141 brush from BH Cosmetics as well. Use a lot of BH Cosmetics today. Really make sure to take your time with this, because if your base looks flawless, you know, your makeup is just going to look flawless. Okay, like that. Don't use too much if it's not necessary. I'm going to use 1 pump of the Givenchy Everwear foundation in 325. Dot this kind of like everywhere. Using the same brush, I'm just going to buff this into the skin. Going back in with my natural beige Too Faced concealer again. Also going to highlight bridge of my nose. I actually didn't really like to go all the way down to here. I know no one really does this technique, but call me crazy. I love a teddy bear kind of nose, and this made my nose look a little bit wider at the bottom, and I really like that. So I'm going to make a teddy nose, okay? These are just my techniques, so don't laugh at me, okay? Going to blend this. That looks pretty flawless, but if I want to be a little bit more extra, I'm going in with a very light concealer. This is Porcelain from Too Faced. And I'm just, oh, almost on my dress. Just going to highlight this part right here. I hate this part right here. Just to have a little bit more 3D, a little bit more dimension. I want to look like someone from, I don't know, like the future. Okay, and this is going to give you that angelic look. To contour and bronze my face, I'm going to use the same foundation from Givenchy, but in a very dark color. This is the shade 395, and this is going to make my complexion very warm and contoured. And I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill 07 brush for this. Jawline. Okay, just circular motions. I know this is going to look crazy at first. This is going to add the JLo factor to this look. Okay, don't worry about this stripe right here. We're just going to blend that all. Okay, then I go in with my foundation brush and I'm just going to blend like that. I kind of like understand why you really like this look, you guys, because I really like it too. Forehead, make sure to go into the hairline to prevent a mask effect. Okay, you see we still have that full coverage effect going on, but we didn't even use a lot of foundation. We did use a bit more concealer, but you know, the foundation is not really full coverage as well, so it's pretty lightweight, and I don't know, my skin looks flawless. I love it. Also, as you can see, I still have a lot of product left, which I don't need. So don't try to go in with your brush just because you think it's a waste of product, you know, because it's a waste of your face. It's a waste of your makeup. Now I'm going to bake my face. I was actually not a huge fan of baking. I was actually not a huge fan of using a lot of powder on my face, but I don't think we have to be scared for powder if you use it the right way with the right amount of product on your face. I see a little bit of unevenness right here, but yeah, so since I've been doing this, my skin, I feel like my skin looks unreal. I use a lot more powder, but it looks less makeup-ish. Okay, so I'm just going to bake pretty heavy. Chin. I'm going to bake my nose to get that, you know, teddy effect. So all the places where we've highlighted. If you really want to have that flawless, no creasing, like beautiful, smooth under eye area, I highly recommend this step. Use a powder, like a very thin, airy powder. I'm using Soft Focus Hydrate Set Powder from NYX Cosmetics. This is in shade Fair. And this fluffy brush, this is from Luxif in 250, which is called Large Eye Blending Brush. And before I'm going to bake, I'm just going to powder it with this brush first. This is really going to make sure that your concealer is locked. It's not going to move. It's not going to look dry or cakey. Even my eyeshadows stay in its place. Like usually I would get like a little bit more like teary eyes, and then I would have a little bit black going on right here. And with this trick, I really don't have that anymore. Now I'm going to bake underneath my eyes as well. Like that. I'm going to get rid of the bake right here because I still want my base to look natural. So I don't want to bake for too long. Okay, I'm going to leave my under eyes like this. While I'm going to do that, I am going to put some glitters on my eyes, which I did yesterday as well. And I thought these looked so bomb. This is from Artist Couture, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. These pigments are so extremely beautiful. I'm just going to spray some setting spray on my brush, and I'm just going to place it right here. That looks so beautiful. You see the difference? On my lower lash line, I've used Set in Stone, so I'm going in with this one again. I wanted to use a green kind of color, but not too obvious green. So I took my Natasha Denona Safari palette, and I've used this shade, which is a beautiful, mysterious kind of green, which is called Savannah. I think you guys really like this part of the makeup. I've used Jumbo Pencil from NYX Cosmetics in 615. This is kind of like a blue, dark blue, I don't know really how to call it. Yeah, dark blue color. And I've used this on my waterline. Going to get rid of my under eye area. Tan palette from Natasha Denona, which I really love. I'm going to use this blush and powder color to define the contour a little bit more again, but also to warm up this face. I quickly applied mascara and some lashes. This is MAC Extra Lash Dimension Mascara. And the lashes that I've used are from Tati Lashes in TL6. I cut it like a little less than a half, and then I put the first part on my outer corners right here to get like that cat eye effect, but it's still drying, so I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to use this NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. Actually, yesterday I've used Becca lipstick from the Khloe Kardashian and Malika collab, but this is very similar. This is from Nabla Cosmetics in Lust. The lipstick is still in my bag, that's why. So I'm going to use this one instead. I'm going to blend it a little bit with the lip liner. I'm going to use the tiniest bit of this Doll Face lipstick from Too Faced, just in the center. And then I'm going in with Natasha Denona Metallic Liquid Lipstick in something with nude Metallica. Morphe setting spray. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!